Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Apache Portals is a robust platform designed for building enterprise-grade web applications by leveraging modular components known as portlets. It adheres to the Java portlet specification, ensuring compatibility and consistency across implementations. This modular nature allows organizations to develop, deploy, and manage small, reusable UI components independently, while still providing a cohesive user experience. Organizations choose Apache Portals for its ability to scale and integrate seamlessly with existing systems. Its architecture supports personalized user experiences, making it ideal for intranets, dashboards, and collaborative platforms. Additionally, being based on open standards ensures long-term viability and vendor independence. At the heart of Apache Portals are portlets, small, focused UI components that plug into a larger portal page. Each portlet follows a defined lifecycle involving initialization, processing actions, and rendering content. They can communicate with one another using events or shared session data, allowing for complex interactions. Understanding the portlet lifecycle is key to mastering Apache Portals. The lifecycle starts with initialization, followed by action processing when users interact, rendering the UI, and finally cleaning up resources. This lifecycle ensures efficient handling of concurrent requests and optimal resource usage. JSR-286 laid the foundation for portlet development, but JSR-362 brought modern enhancements like AJAX support, resource serving, and improved caching. These updates make portlets more responsive and better suited for today's web applications while maintaining backward compatibility. Apache Pluto is the official reference implementation of the Java portlet specification. It provides a lightweight, standards-compliant environment for developing and testing portlets. Pluto is perfect for developers who want to ensure their portlets will work across different portal platforms. Setting up Apache Pluto is straightforward. Begin by downloading it from the Apache website, then deploy it on a servlet container like Tomcat. You'll configure your portlets using the portlet.xml descriptor and deploy them as WAR files. This setup allows for rapid development and testing. The portlet.xml file is crucial for defining how your portlet behaves. It specifies metadata, URL mappings, supported modes like view or edit, and window states. This descriptor also handles security configurations and lifecycle settings, ensuring your portlet integrates smoothly with the portal. Portlets support different modes and window states to manage user interaction. Modes like view, edit, and help control what the user sees, while window states like maximized or minimized control how much screen space is used. These features provide flexibility and enhance usability. Inter-Portlet Communication allows portlets to interact dynamically. This is done through events, public render parameters, or shared session data. IPC is essential for building workflows where one portlet's output affects another's input, enabling a seamless user experience. Theming and skinning allow portals to match corporate branding or user preferences. Themes control the overall look, while skins adjust individual portlet appearances. With CSS-based styling and support for responsive design, portals can provide a modern and consistent experience across devices. Security in Apache Portals is handled through JAAS for authentication, role-based access control for authorization, and support for single sign-on (SSO) systems. All communication should be secured via HTTPS to protect sensitive data and ensure compliance with enterprise standards. Optimizing performance in Apache Portals involves caching responses, lazy loading portlets, aggregating resources, and minimizing session usage. These techniques reduce server load and improve response times, ensuring a smooth user experience even under heavy traffic. Portal pages are composed by aggregating multiple portlets into a structured layout. Layout templates define where each portlet appears, and pages are managed using CMS tools or admin interfaces. Dynamic content loading ensures that pages remain responsive and up-to-date. While Apache Portals provides a lightweight, standards-compliant solution, Liferay Portal offers a full-featured enterprise platform with built-in tools like a marketplace and UI builder. Both support the same Portlet standards, but Liferay is often preferred for large-scale deployments. Integrating Apache Portals with Spring Framework enhances development capabilities. Spring Portlet MVC simplifies portlet creation, while dependency injection and security modules streamline configuration. Spring data can be used for backend integration, providing a cohesive stack for enterprise development. Hibernate brings powerful ORM capabilities to Apache Portals, simplifying data modeling and interaction with databases. Features like caching and lazy loading improve performance, while integration with Spring enables robust transaction management. Modern Apache Portals can consume RESTful services, enabling dynamic content updates and real-time data interaction. With JSR-362's resource-serving capabilities and AJAX integration, Portlets can provide rich, responsive user experiences powered by JSON-based APIs. With the rise of mobile usage, Apache Portals now support responsive design through CSS frameworks, device detection, and touch-friendly components. Progressive web app features can also be integrated, offering app-like experiences directly in the browser. Corporate intranets are a prime use case for Apache Portals. Employees can access personalized dashboards, HR tools, financial reports, and news updates, all integrated into a single interface. Portlets enable seamless collaboration and document management. Government agencies use Apache Portals to deliver digital services to citizens. These portals support secure document submission, integrate multiple agencies, and comply with accessibility standards. Portlets ensure that services are modular and scalable. E-learning platforms benefit from Apache Portals by organizing course content into modular portlets. Features like progress tracking, discussion forums, and quizzes can be implemented as individual portlets, integrated with learning management systems for a comprehensive educational experience. Financial institutions use Apache Portals to offer customer portals with account summaries, secure payments, investment tracking, and personalized advice. Portlets ensure that each feature is secure, responsive, and easily maintainable. Migrating legacy systems to Apache Portals can be done gradually using wrapper portlets that encapsulate old applications. Integration with existing databases ensures data continuity, while user training and change management help with adoption. Testing portlets requires a combination of unit tests, integration tests with mock containers, and UI testing tools like Selenium. Performance testing ensures that portlets behave well under load, maintaining quality and reliability. Debugging portlet applications involves using logging frameworks, remote debugging in Pluto, and analyzing container logs. Browser developer tools are essential for debugging UI-related issues, ensuring both backend and front-end components function correctly. Monitoring Apache Portals involves tracking performance metrics, user behavior, error rates, and uptime. Integration with application performance monitoring, APM, tools provides insights into system health and helps identify optimization opportunities. Scaling Apache Portals involves load balancing, connection pooling, caching, and horizontal clustering. These techniques ensure that portals can handle increasing traffic and user demands while maintaining performance and availability. Common pitfalls in Apache Portals include overloading portlets with business logic, improper session management, and neglecting security. Proper error handling, logging, and adherence to best practices help avoid these issues and ensure robust applications. The Apache Portals community offers extensive resources including mailing lists, official documentation, forums, and GitHub repositories. These resources are invaluable for troubleshooting, learning best practices, and staying updated with the latest developments. The future of Apache Portals includes continued support for Java Portlet standards, integration with modern front-end frameworks, and adoption of cloud-native and microservices architectures. These advancements ensure that portals remain relevant in evolving enterprise landscapes. Compared to modern frameworks like React or Angular, Apache Portals offer server-side rendering and component reusability through portlets. While SPAs provide rich client-side experiences, Portals excel in enterprise integration and legacy compatibility. Best practices for Apache Portals development include modular design, consistent naming, a security-first approach, and ongoing performance monitoring. These practices ensure maintainable, secure, and high-performing portal applications. Deploying Apache Portals efficiently involves setting up CI/CD pipelines, containerizing applications with Docker, and using cloud platforms like AWS or Azure. Techniques like rolling updates and blue-green deployments minimize downtime during releases. A large retailer implemented Apache Portals to manage customer accounts, track orders, display promotions, and integrate with back-end inventory systems. This modular approach allowed them to scale features independently while maintaining a unified customer experience. Apache Portals provide a powerful platform for building modular, scalable enterprise applications. Their standards-based approach ensures strong integration capabilities, making them ideal for intranets, government services, and financial platforms. However, mastering the Portlet lifecycle is essential for success. Thanks for watching this deep dive into Apache Portals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Explore more tutorials on our channel, join our community, and share this video with fellow developers to help them grow too. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.